Summer is here, and it's time for skin to shine. But your skin needs some serious care with the sun blazing, heat rising, and humidity peaking. No chemicals, no fancy products, just simple, natural ways to get that glowing, radiant skin we all crave. Let's ride the wave to better health and beauty, naturally. Hydration is your best friend, the foundation of glowing skin. Hydration. In hot weather, your body loses water faster, and dehydrated skin looks dull, tired, and uneven. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Want to take it up a notch? Add cucumber slices, lemon wedges, and a few mint leaves. This simple detox water flushes out toxins, supports digestion, and leaves your skin looking clearer and more vibrant from the inside out. Nature's moisturizer, aloe vera. Next up is your skin summer savior, aloe vera. This miracle plant is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus powerful enzymes that heal and hydrate. It's incredibly soothing, perfect for calming sunburn, reducing inflammation, and restoring moisture without leaving your skin oily. Just cut open a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to clean skin. You can use it as a daily moisturizer, a cooling after-sun treatment, or even an overnight mask. For extra hydration, mix it with rose water and spritz it on during the day. With consistent use, aloe vera helps your skin look smoother, brighter, and beautifully refreshed. Tip 3. Exfoliate gently, naturally. Yogurt, honey and oat face mask. Exfoliating is key to unlocking your skin's natural glow, especially in summer, when sweat, sunscreen, and pollution can clog pores and dull your complexion. But instead of harsh scrubs that can damage your skin's protective barrier, go for a gentle, natural exfoliant that nourishes while it polishes. Here's a simple DIY recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground oats, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Yogurt, honey and oat face mask benefits. 1 oats gently buff away dead skin. 2 yogurt contains lactic acid to brighten and smooth. 3 honey is a natural humectant that retains moisture while fighting bacteria. Apply the mixture to your face using circular, upward motions, focusing on areas like the nose, chin, and forehead. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes like a mini mask, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel refreshed, baby soft, and visibly brighter, without any irritation. Use this gentle exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week to keep your summer glow fresh and natural. Tip 4. Coconut oil, the glow booster. Let's talk about one of nature's most nourishing gifts, coconut oil. It's rich in fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants that hydrate, soften, and protect your skin. Use it at night as a deep moisturizer. Just warm a small amount between your palms and gently press it into your skin. It also works as a lip balm, a cuticle softener, and even a natural highlighter for cheekbones. Need to pamper your skin with something powerful, yet all natural? Let's make a DIY face mask that's perfect for summer. It brightens, calms, and gives your skin a gorgeous, sun-kissed glow. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon of gram flour, also known as besan, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Enough rose water to form a smooth paste. Gram flour gently exfoliates and controls excess oil, ideal for sweaty summer skin. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and brightener, known for reducing dark spots and giving your complexion a golden glow. And rose water? It hydrates and tones, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. Apply the paste evenly to your clean face and neck. Let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water, using gentle circular motions. You'll instantly notice a fresher, more radiant look. Additional tip, if you have dry skin, swap rose water with milk or yogurt for extra moisture. For oily or acne-prone skin, add a few drops of lemon juice for deep cleansing. Use this mask once or twice a week, and you'll be amazed at the natural glow your skin develops. No filters needed. Sun protection. And don't forget, glowing skin needs protection. Look for a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Wear a wide-brimmed hat, and avoid peak sun hours when you can. Natural doesn't mean unprotected. Glowing summer skin is simple, sustainable, and totally natural. If you love these tips, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Vitality Waves for more wellness wisdom. Until next time, stay radiant, and ride the wave to better health.